Here are the performance tests of my 1986 Kohler Wellworth WaterGuard. I did tests on this before, like a year and a half ago, but there was a flush handle nut in the siphon jet, making these things, like flushing, not so great. It's almost like when the siphon jet is partially blocked, but since I got it out, now let's see how it flushes. I like the flushes on these, they're my favorite. Now to some tests. For the first test, let's see if we can take a microfiber rag. Since the siphon jet is clear, it should take it just fine. Yep, took it without any problems. For the next test, let's see if we can take a grocery bag. I'm guessing it should take it like nothing as well. Yep, did great. For the next test, let's see if we can take a grocery bag and a microfiber rag together. I'm guessing this might get passed through the opening, but it might clog where it gets at the end, just like 1.6 Kohler Wellworth Ingeniums, or it might take it with a little bit of struggle. But let's see. I can see the bag is aired up. I'm gonna give it a second flush after the tank is full, just to see if it unclogs itself. Flush 2. I just gave it a gentle touch, but it counts as a fail because touching or whether plunging it counts as a fail. I'm gonna go ahead and try the grocery bag and a microfiber rag together again, just because I think it has a chance of taking it in one flush. Well, it got past through the trapway opening, but it is still clogged at the restrictive part of the trapway where it gets smaller, just like the 1.6 gallon per flush Kohler Wellworth Ingeniums from 1997 up to sometime in 2008 between 2012. You saw that gurgle though. It's still clogged. I'm gonna give it a second flush after the tank is full. Second flush. Oh. Took it in 2 flushes. Not bad. For the next test, let's see if we can take a microfiber towel. As I tested this last time, like almost a year and a half ago, this might clog. Once again, it passed through the trapway opening and it got stuck at this restrictive part where it gets smaller. I'm gonna give it a second flush after the tank is full. Flush 2. Let's see if it unclogs itself. I don't think it's moving. It failed the test, but I think it clogged pretty hard. Overall, I'd say the performance is good, but not as good as the 1.6 gallon per flush Kohler Wellworth Ingeniums from 1997 up until 2012. Well, I've never done a bottle cap test on this one, so let's try that next. For the last test, let's see if it can take 15 bottle caps. Don't mind, there's a little bit of toilet paper in there, but I'm guessing, I think this might do pretty good. Yep, looks like it did pretty good without problems. Well, I'd say this toilet is pretty awesome, and this is one of my favorite all-time Kohler toilets. I like their flushes. Well, hope if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and comment and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.